yourself. Yesterday, for example, that triple-digit heat, while we were in the upper 80s, that changes today. I'm forecasting a heat index in the triple digits. It will feel like 100 degrees across West Michigan, despite actual temperatures in the 90s. And that's courtesy of that heavy humidity. You are going to feel that out the door today and especially this afternoon. Not too much difference from the heat index and the actual temperature this morning, but notice how that changes as early as lunch. This red box over here, that's what it could feel like at 11 o'clock this morning. And we're talking about feels like temperatures then in the 90s already. Now taking you to 2 o'clock, I think this is when we get our peak heat index in those triple digits, especially the farther south you go. A little bit
102
cooler,
and
I
you
should
watch
say,
it.
not quite as hot farther north. And this is just only part one of our weather alert day. There are lots of moving pieces.
Oh wow, level
We'll
2.
the second one now, and that's the potential for torrential rain, damaging wind gusts, and hail within showers and thunderstorms that develop this afternoon and continue tonight. And they're feeding off of that heat and humidity. You can see that our level 2 out of 5 total level risk in yellow, that swallows up most of Michigan's lower peninsula. Right now, not much going on in southwest Michigan, though we're getting clipped by this cluster of thunderstorms in northern Newaygo County. Most of our activity near and north of US 10. That's where I told you it would be this time yesterday morning. And you can see that convection stretching all the way back through northern Wisconsin and even Minnesota. So those winds are going to be, one of the threats within thunderstorms. But even outside of that thunderstorm activity, it is going to be breezy today. The kind of day that when you open up that car door in the parking lot, it's going to swing open and hit the car next to you if you don't get a grip on it, right? And it's also the kind of wind that does this to Lake Michigan. Obviously not a day that you want to be swimming or walking on the pier, but sometimes common sense isn't common sense. So make sure that you are spreading the word to look at those flags in Lake Michigan. Lexi will be updating us on those conditions all morning long. Temperatures in the lower 70s in Allegan right now, 71 in Kalamazoo. Good morning, Marshall. 69 degrees. It feels quite toasty out there already, which means that we want to do the long dog walk. I don't know if you're anything like me, you have the long ones and the short ones. We want to do the long doggo walk early this morning. This, of course, is Dolly, Kirk's little girl, and I love when they do that. I don't know what it means exactly. I think it means that they know that it's cute and they want our attention. But you can see the pod changing once we get to the afternoon, not just because of the opportunity for showers and storms, but because that pavement is going to be really hot. If you do have to head out in the afternoon, pick the dog up as you're walking over the pavement. All right, here are those winds gusting on the order of 30 miles an hour, playing into that damaging wind threat. As I take you through time, you can see most of that activity building this afternoon and evening, and it will linger, of course, into early tomorrow. Sealy Auto Group 7-day forecast also brings about the first weekend of August. It starts hot, Kirk.
It does start hot. The good news is I am fluent in dog, and I know exactly what's going on there.